It's so pretty.
So pretty.
You can, like, oh, they got the heavy focus going. Oh,
Here goes the power.
ah, we still have power.
Do we really?
We're good.
No, there's still ceiling light.
Yeah.
And hallway light.
Yeah, we're the only house with power. Is that still recording?
Yeah. Yeah. Look. Our house has the power!
Just us, too.
Yeah. Well, no.
Just this block. It's where.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on down here. Oh, crap. It's like snowblind conditions.
Yeah. I can't really see anything with this camera anymore.
That's okay. Just hold it up and try it.
Have one. We can hike to your dad's house.
I really don't want to hike to my dad's house.
Okay, so